Welcome to another Bateleurs mission. I'm busy driving from home to the airfield, get the plane out and do my pre-flight checks and so on, and then I'm off to Hluhluwe-iMfolozi Park for their annual large game census. We've abbreviated that to HRP-LGC, so there we are, a little acronym for you. Nevertheless, I'm looking forward, so excited.
The Bateleurs have the good fortune to be associated with Veldskoen shoes of South Africa. And who doesn't know the good old Vellies? We love these comfortable and robust bush shoes. Vellies are good for everything that we do, from the flying to the bushwhacking. And in the link below, you can go online to Veldskoen SA and order your very own Bateleurs logoed Vellies. I'll be talking about other Bateleurs associations in the following videos, so please subscribe and stay with us on the channel. The Mfolozi runway is peppered with toilet paper tissues, these having been put there by the staff marking all the holes made by the wild animals, and there are far too many holes for them to all be filled in, so it's a case of eyes wide open when working from this runway. Greetings from myself, Steve, and Ezemvelo ecologist Kelsey Limi. And here we see fellow BATS pilot Thomas Marrow peeling off to go and get another animal sighting photo. No, not really. We were routing to the next transect and he was simply having a bit of fun. Why not? Once again, the Bateleurs contributed to conservation in South Africa, with the appreciation of Dr. Dave Druce, the Chief Ecologist at Hluhluwe-iMfolozi Park. There's a tremendous satisfaction to be had by us already being called back to HRP on additional census work. Clearly we did something right. Please like and subscribe my channel, where I look forward to sharing more videos of the Bateleurs delivering our service to South African conservation.